Okay guys, let's see if I can recreate this image with my own picture across different AI apps. So relax, let me show you how to do it. First you need to do is to open your Pinterest app. Go to Pinterest, open your Pinterest. Now, when you open your Pinterest, you will see what I searched. Then let me show you what I searched. I searched for Igbo traditional attire for men. That's what I searched. So it brought out different of them. So I keep on searching. Then until I came to that particular picture, which is this one. So I opened it. You click on these three dots here and then click on download image. It will download into your phone. So once you have downloaded it, next thing you open your chat GPT. So when you open your chat GPT, you're going to tell chat GPT to, so you say give me exact prompt to create this exact image. You click on this plus sign and then you click on photos. It creates a prompt to generate this exact image, you understand? So you're going to click this plus sign, select photos and then select that image. Then you click here, then allow it to load. So it has generated the prompt. So here's the prompt. You see the prompt is so long. We're still going to copy it like that. Okay, just copy the prompt like that. You copy. So once you copied it, now you come to this reply to ChatGPT. You place your hand there, just hold it there. Then paste will come out. You click paste. You select the plus sign. It will take you to a gallery on the photos. So
So
when you
once you
come to the
click on the
photos here, you
photos,
select.
it will open your gallery, you understand? Then you will select that picture that shows your face very well, you understand? Just as you see here now. So when you select it, now that prompt that you have copied, you're going to paste it under here and then forward it to generate. Now you wait. So when I waited, the ChatGPT told me that it can give me a better prompt that can give me exactly what I wanted. So I said, okay, who am I to say no? So it brought out this prompt, which I went through it and then I found that it's okay. Then I copied the prompt, you understand? So I decided to copy this particular one instead of using the first one that it gave me because he said that this particular one is going to give me the exact thing that I wanted. So I copied all of it. Make sure that you copied it from the beginning to the end. The prompt is long though, but you copied it. Now you see this plus sign here. That place that plus sign is going to click that plus sign, and then when you click that plus sign, you paste your prompt, and then you select your image, sorry, your own picture. Then close that place, the right reply to ChatGPT. You also place your prompt there as well and allow it to generate. And it generated something beautiful like this for me. You understand? Yeah, there's something beautiful like this for me. So now let's try it on Google Gemini. Okay, you open your Google Gemini app. Once you open it, you see this particular place that they put plus sign. You click on that plus sign, import that your picture, the same picture that you use, that your own picture. It's not the image, it's not the reference image, your own picture. You import it into the app. Now you drop or you paste the prompt that you have already created from ChatGPT. You place it there. Once you place it, you allow it to generate. Okay, now at the end, this was what Nano Banana or Google Gemini gave us. Okay, let's try it on Grok. Open your Grok app. Once you open your Grok app, you also go to Imagine. You see Ask and Imagine. You go to Imagine, click on that place that looks like a photo, edit photo, click on edit photo. Then you pick your own picture again, then import it into the app and then select this place they wrote type your edit. Then you put in that prompt that you have generated from ChatGPT. Then you allow it to edit in. This is what it gave us on Grok. Let's try it on Meta AI. Go to your Meta AI app, open it, then click on that plus sign, click on see all for your to open all your photos. It will take you to your gallery. Select that same picture of yours, import it into the app. You understand? Then once you import it into the app, this way they don't ask anything. You paste in that your prompt that you have taken or you have copied from ChatGPT. Then you click on this blue arrow up, allow it to generate. It will start writing thinking. Next, it will generate. So this is what it gave us. In your own opinion, which of these app gave us the best picture?